Stay where you are.
Stop me if you can.
And I'm talking to you. Stay right where you are.
What have you done to me, Father? My legs are burning.
Thank Yoshi that you still recognize the fact that I am your father. Listen to me. The power of the Ibobo is the creation of our ancestors. It is not something they use to perpetuate evil. It is not something they use to take advantage of other people. It is something they use in the service of humanity. Something they use for the protection of the land. Listen, you don't have any right whatsoever to take advantage of any maiden. And now you have risen to the point of taking advantage of married women. I will not take that from you. I will not.
Let me go, Father. Let me go.
Move. If you believe you are not, move.
Father, let me go. Let me go, Father. Let me go.
A word is enough for the wise. I am not going to warn you again. Stop pushing me.
You have just challenged me to a fight, Father. Wait for me.
You are now a real man.
And you made it possible, Great Ikuku.
I can do more if you want.
Great Ikuku, you do not have to ask. You know I will want more. Go ahead and do more.
I see the surprise on your father's face.
I saw it too. I know exactly what's going on in his mind.
He will be like the small boy of yesterday. Is now a full-grown man.
Exactly, Great Ikuku. You know he never wanted me to belong into what is happening now.
Yeah.
But I cannot thank the gods enough. I cannot thank them enough for making it possible for me to meet you. Thank you, Great Ikuku.
Come with me. That thing that appeared in your dream, can you please tell me, what exactly does it look like?
I may not actually refer to that as a dream. it can pass as a trance. But what appeared is actually unexplainable. I cannot describe the form it was when it appeared. But the only thing I can tell you as Ugezu Nze is that something actually appeared.
Something actually appeared?
Yes.
Na-abụ ihe sikata isi asa ya na mmiri. Ọ na-abụ ihe zokọta ezo ọpụta ife. Certain things can be hidden only for a while. I get it.
You do?
Yes, I get it.
Please. Can you explain it to me in a way I can understand it clearly?
OKADIGBO, what appeared to you in the dream is Ugezu Nze. OKADIGBO, Ugezu Nze appeared to you in your dream.
I don't understand. Ugezu Nze, for what?
I have always known that this greatness abides in you. But for the fact that I wasn't too sure of the level, I was not able to discuss it with you before now. But now it is becoming clearer and clearer to me. Based on what I saw, what happened the very day you were initiated into the hood of this great kingdom of Amici.
Honestly, you are confusing me the more.
OKADIGBO, you are the chosen of the gods. Yes. You were chosen by the gods to become the custodian of Ugezu Nze of Amici great kingdom. So there is nothing to be confused about.
But based on what you know of me, don't you think this is too much for me?
It is not too much for you. For the gods are wise. The gods know everything and can do everything everywhere. Onye si nwatakịrị jide nkakwu, o kupụtegoro ya mmiri oge ejikwa aka. Not in the case of the gods. The gods are wise at all times, everywhere. So, however, I didn't know of this earlier. It is now that I'm beginning to have a perfect knowledge of what is actually going on. So,
okay, now that you have a perfect knowledge of what is going on, can you explain it to me in a way I can equally understand it? Because I don't get it. I mean, of all the men in our Amici kingdom, why me?
OKADIGBO, ọ na-aba ajụba ajụjụ a na-eje jụọ ewi kama na nshịkọ na ndị mmụọ gbara agbata obi masa na jụrụ nshịkọ ajụjụ ana. These are questions you will take to the gods. Ask the gods yourself. I wasn't the one that chose you. I'm only a messenger of the gods.
Messenger of the gods has come there, you are the gods.
He can only have her for now. It will not be long before I take her away from him. That maiden is supposed to be with men like me. Real men like me. And not that weakling. That loafer. I will go to any length. I will do whatever I need to do to snatch her away from him. Masridia must be mine. Nothing is going to stop me.
My identity is of no importance to you. I want us to talk.
If your identity is of no importance to me, then I don't have anything I will be discussing with you.
Not yet.
What exactly do you want?
Good question. Otigbo just lied to you about being chosen by the gods as an entity that will house the Ibubo next Sunday.
How did you get to know about the private meeting I just had with Otigbo, the great Libya?
I am Ikuku and I am everywhere. I see in the secret and in the open. Nothing is hidden from me. If you want to remain alive, you must reject the Ibubo that's about to make an open manifestation in you.
Ikuku, whatever you say your name is, with all due respect, I will do no such thing.
Then prepare to die.
Is that supposed to be a threat?
Call it whatever you want. I don't care. Accept the full manifestation of the Ibubo, and I will come so hard on you that you will beg for death, but death will be too far away from you.
What, Igbo? You already know who I am. No. What, Igbo? This is a piece of my heart to you. Hey, Kentamban. What's that? You know I love you, what, Igbo? And I will do. What, Igbo?
Why are you standing in my way?
How else do I express my love to you? Ehon, I love you so much.
Ekenta, I don't love you.
Why are you doing this to me? Why? Can't you see that I love you? Why are you doing this to me?
Ekenta, I detest you with everything in me.
Hey.
Are you not getting it? I don't love you. Don't you get it? You are a coward.
Listen, let me tell you, I am worthy. I can take care of you from now to the end of days that the ancestors can bear witness. I even brought meat for you. Can't you see?
Ekenta! Are you deaf? I said I don't love you. There is nothing in this life that will make me love you, even with your meat. Don't you ever try to stop me again.
What? I can see that you're ready to waste your nonsense love and time to a man who does not love you. Go ahead and cry. He will not do anything. Can't you see? I am worthy. I am able. See?
You are a coward.
What, Tego? Yeah. But you can tell you how Bobanta. Look at me. Wealthy and able. If I'm not him, it's alright. But maybe I missed something. I would have started with, you know I love. No, don't worry, I'll try again.
Okay, my friend. Okay. Okay, my friend. What am I for? What is it? You're not looking happy. You're not looking okay. What is the problem?
Omasiri and Chiabon are my problem.
What did they do to you?
Listen, Omasiri is meant for men like me. I mean, complete men like me, and not that weakling, that pauper that calls himself Chiabon.
Why do you say so?
And now look at me. Just take a good look at me. I am a complete man in all ramifications. Just look at me. Now I want you to have a mental picture of that fool that calls himself Chiabon. Can he even protect Omasiri should war break out now? Can he? What can he even give to Omasiri that I cannot double of it? Look at his family. And I look at his family background. Poverty-stricken people.
Abon might not be able to protect or provide for her. But he loves her. And she loves him too. Both of them are consumed by deep emotions.
What useless love and emotions are you talking about? Look, I will not take what you just said as being the truth. And that's why I need your help. I want you to tell Omasiri. Tell her that I love her so much. I want to make her the maiden of my own. She is mine. I must marry her.
OBK, you and I know she will not accept. So there's no need telling her this. It's just a waste of time.
No, this is just my problem. This is the problem I have with you. And why are you always pessimistic? Why? You are my friend and my advisor. And as my advisor, I expect you to advise me the best way to get out of myself. And not the other way around.
Okay. Okay, if you say so. Give me some time to think.
Start thinking.
Why me? Well, if you have deemed it necessary that I must be the one who will inhabit you and become your dwelling place, so be it.
I hope I didn't keep you waiting.
You did.
But I will not complain since you're already here. I'm sorry, okay? I need you to do me a favor. Okay. Let's hear it. You know how much I love OBK. He's everything I need in a man. I need you to make him understand that I love him, but he has been giving me attitude. Please, can you help me talk to him? Make him understand that I love him unconditionally and...
I will not. No, I won't.
Why?
OBK should be the one running after you, not the other way around.
Since he's not doing the needful, then I want to do it.
I'm sorry. I will not talk to him about the subject matter. No, I won't.
Greetings, Father.
Obike, come back here. I want us to talk.
Father, I hope all is well.
All is well. Come and sit down. I am going to be very simple with this discussion, so I need you to lend me your ears.
All right, Father.
The gods have chosen our family for something very special.
Really? Father, talk to me about it.
It is not something I want to discuss in details with you now. But I will do that when the right time comes. But for now, you are required to stop drinking, to stop flirting, stop fighting, and to stop bullying the maidens. You must have to find a way to reinvent yourself and behave like somebody who is from the circle of the ruling class.
Father, I do not understand what you're talking about.
Because I spoke in a very clear language, and I need you to adhere to everything I have just said. I do not intend to repeat myself on that.
So why are you my friend if you cannot help me?
Wakego, you know I always help you. You know I do.
So why are you not helping me now that I need your help?
Can I ask you a question?
Go ahead.
Do you know that you're showing a high level of desperation towards getting OBK to yourself?
If that is what you call it, then that is what it is.
Now the question is, why him?
I already told you he has everything I need in a man. Are you helping me talk to him or not?
No, I am not. I think I just wasted my time. Come. Wakego. Wakego. It hasn't gotten to that. Wait.
See, I am the man for
You are the last person I want to see today. Get out of my way.
Really? I want us to talk. Let us talk.
Get out of my way!
Hey, one thing, tell me. Listen. Maybe the way I started the last time wasn't favorable. Now, I want to start again. Let me express, or allow me express my love to you. Anyone?
Ekenta, we have nothing to discuss. Ekenta, if you dare stop me again, the next thing I will do will be worse than this.
You slapped me. Thank the gods. Thank the gods no one saw her slap me. Anyone know why me? What? Okay, go. Hey, you slapped.
Omalicha. Greetings, Anayo.
Yeah, greetings. Please hold on. I have a message for you.
You have a message for me?
Yes.
I am listening.
My very good friend Obike asked me to deliver this message to you. And he said I should tell you that he loves you and wants to marry you.
Anna Yoso, you wasted my time. If I'd known that this is the reason you stopped me, I wouldn't have stopped in the first place. But then again, go to your friend. Tell him that he's not man enough. Because if he was, he should have been the one here talking to me about this, not you. Nevertheless, if he dares, if he, as much as this, comes close to me, I will rain down insult and curse on him. Tell him that.
I saw this coming. I knew this won't work. Eh? Obike won't listen to me.
I am ready.
Wise decision, I must say.
So, what are the requirements?
The requirements are as follows. First and foremost, keep your hands clean. Stay away from evil. Always maintain good thoughts, good words, good deeds, and good footsteps. Do not take what belongs to another. Do not look at another man's wife twice with intention of experiencing the woman in her. And most importantly, don't judge falsely because you have an opportunity of occupying the position of power.
All you listed are the things I am already doing as Onyenze. They have become a kind of lifestyle for me. Already.
That could be the reason the gods chose you and decided to pass through you by allowing you be in charge, be the custodian of Ugezu Nze.
Okay, do I have sacrifices that I am going to perform? Like, would they be needing maybe a cow, or can a ram take care of that?
OKADIGBO when the time comes, the gods will tell you what sacrifices they need and how and when they need it.
Well understood.
That will be all for now.
Danga.
May the gods guide, inspire, bless and protect you as you do the wish of the gods.
So how did it go with Omasori?
Exactly as I predicted.
Did you predict anything?
Yes, I told you that she's in love with another man.
What exactly did she say?
She said I wasted her time stopping her talking about you.
She also said if you are man enough, you should walk up to her.
All right then, if that is what she wants, then I will meet her myself and tell her exactly how I feel about her.
She didn't end there. She also said, if you walk up to her, she will rain insults and abuses on you.
Oh, Master will never say a thing like that.
Yes, she did.
Oh, Master will never say a thing like that.
Omasiri is in love with Abanwe. From every indication, both of them are getting married.
That will never happen. That can never happen, not while I'm alive. Never!
And where are you going to?
Why are you this angry?
Obim, you have to talk to Anayo. You need to talk to him, oh! Talk to him!
And what did he do?
He had the guts to meet me, to tell me that I should leave whatever it is I share with you and give his friend my heart.
What? Anayo said this to you? And when did this start?
I don't know. Obim, I have no idea.
Nobody. No one will take you away from me. Never.
Obim, talk to him, oh. Warn him so it will not be heard that a maiden of this kingdom was found fighting a man. Hey!
Obim, you have nothing to worry about. Where can I see him?
He should be in his father's hut, of course. Obim, please, don't fight him, oh. Just talk some sense into his head. What's all this?
What are you doing in my compound?
So after all my warning, you still went ahead
Yes. I went ahead because it is the will of the gods, and I have to submit to it.
For daring me, I will teach you the lesson of your life.
Why are you wasting your time? Let me advise you. Stay very far away from me, or you're going to get hurt.
Imanka! Imanka, sir.
I am now covered by Ibopone Sundinse. That Ibopo follows me everywhere I go. And there is nothing anybody born of a woman can do to me. And that includes you.
This is not the end. We shall see.
Stay very far away from me in your overall interest.
OKADIGBO 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 OKADIGBO
Greetings, Nze OKADIGBO.
Greetings, palace guards. To what do I owe this visit?
The king is ill again, and he has asked that you hold brief for him as the hierarchy elder in his cabinet, while he embarks on a journey for full recovery.
When did the sickness start again?
This morning.
And how is he feeling now?
Not better at all, but hopefully we believe the gods will show him mercy again.
I agree with you. The gods surely will show him mercy because the gods hardly forget any of their own. Please tell him that you have delivered the message and that I'm not going to disappoint.
Okay.
And importantly, tell him that I wish him quick recovery and that I'm coming to the palace later this evening to see him.
Okay. Your message will be delivered.
We beg to take our leave.
Thank you.
Anayo, thank the gods I met you here.
Oh, my friend, what is it? You don't look happy.
How can I look happy when the man who is supposed to be my kinsman has connived with another man, with an outsider?
What did I do?
Do you not know that we are getting married? Do you?
Abo, I don't understand what you're talking about.
Why would you understand when you have made up your mind to destroy what I have shared with Amasri? But let me tell you something. It will not work. Yes. So go back and tell OBK that I said it will not work.
You're getting this thing all wrong. You're getting it all wrong. I don't know where you're getting this information from.
I know the plan. Yes, but like I said, it will not work. Yes. You know why? Because very soon we'll be getting married. And all your evil plans and plots will be destroyed. Joy killer. Let me warn you. The next time you will stop my woman and send rubbish to her again, I will kill you and face the consequences. Nonsense.
I told OBK this will not work, but he will not listen. What do I do?
My sister, something needs to be done urgently about this before the two of them kill each other.
You know what even pains me the most? What? Those two, Udo and Udim, they are brothers, so the same mother, the same father.
Exactly, my sister. So the king cannot settle the differences between the two brothers.
King, rumor has it that the king has tried all that he could to settle those two. But he could not, so he had to hands off their matter.
My sister, this is serious. Unbelievable.
Let's be going.
Unbelievable. You can imagine.
Leave
two brothers.
Let them kill themselves.
Hey!
Brothers. I told you this will not work, but you refused to listen to me. You refused.
And what are you talking about?
Chabu just threatened me not long ago. From every indication, he can do anything to keep Omasi to himself.
I still do not understand what you're talking about, Anai. Can you just go straight to the point? Tell me exactly what is the problem?
I believe Omasi must have told Abunwe what I told her. Yes. I believe she have told him what you sent me to tell her. I believe that.
Well, that's good. I mean, that is very good. Listen, he should be aware of what is about to happen. Yes, so that when it eventually happens, it will not be a surprise to him.
That is exactly the problem. That is the problem. Chairman has threatened to kill me. Yes, he has threatened to kill me. If I run such errands for you again, he has threatened to kill me.
Oh, please, Anayo. Forget about his threat. Chairman cannot do anything to you, not while I'm still alive.
Obiki, you don't understand. Chairman meant it. If you look at the looks on his face, he meant it.
And I'm saying forget about it.
Obiki, you don't understand.
Obiki,
you don't understand.
You are a fool.
You are an idiot.
Come and take the land, let me see.
There is no way I will not take that land. You are very stupid.
You are a fool.
Foolish man.
I don't talk to fools.
I regret the fact that you are my elder brother. How am I even your brother? Eh? Look at Ranima. Are you looking at me?
Sometimes I wonder how you became my brother.
Sometimes I wonder how I have not strangled you. Eh? Wicked man. Evil. Shut up, both of you. What is the meaning of this nonsense you are doing before me? Are you both sick in the head? I have listened to the very problem you presented and I have not seen any problem. So what is the root of this fight between you both? Nothing.
Also, don't be offended. I'm sorry.
I am not going to be the one who will solve this problem for you both. You are going to be the ones who will solve it. So as you are leaving now, on your way home, both of you must find a way to resolve this problem like brothers. Am I understood?
He's my elder brother. I am ready to give peace a chance. He's my elder brother. What are we even fighting for? Elder brother, we can always share the land between us.
Both of you should be united like one. So that if an enemy from outside wants to invade your family, you both must fight like one. Where you are behaving like this, don't you know you are giving the enemy a chance to tear you into pieces?
We won't quarrel again. He's my elder brother. We can always share the land between us. Yes.
Good. I will be monitoring you both every step of the way. Let me see how you are going to resolve this. But do not disappoint yourselves. Do not disappoint yourselves.
No problem. We'll not have problem again. No problem. I swear by the gods, we'll not have problem again. He's my other brother. One them. That is not the best option. We just have to share the land, sir, be carefully.
Thank you.
You take the plantation. I take the palm nut plantation.
We don't have to fight over land issues.
Yes, my brother. Very accurate, my brother. Yes, because the more we fight, the more problem we have within ourselves.
Thank you. So you even know of that.
I'm sorry, my other brother. I'm sorry.
Is that not Udoka and Ndudi?
They're the ones.
Why are they together today?
Same question I wanted to ask. Those two.
Does it mean that they have settled?
Settled quoi? If you know the enmity that existed between those two, you will not even talk about settlement. Those two can never be at peace.
My sister, I can imagine. Nothing is impossible. Maybe they have settled.
This one is impossible.
Okay. But it's obvious they are together. Can't you see?
Even though it doesn't matter.
Okay. I can imagine.
How did you do it?
How did I do what?
Father, I'm talking about the long-age quarrel that lasted between Ndudim and Udoka. How did you settle it just like that?
You were present when the matter was settled. There was nothing special.
Father, I noticed the fear in their eyes the moment you shouted at them. I felt it too.
Oh. Is that why you got confused?
Yes, Father.
It is nothing.
Father, what do you mean it's nothing? Father, there is more to it, Father. Please talk to me about it. I am your son.
All right. I will tell you about it, but not now.
Is that a promise?
I just told you that I will tell you about it. It's a promise, if you know that.
All right, Father.
You felt it, right?
Yes, Father, I felt it.
Igbo Nze. Igbo Bakalia.
Aja na-ekele gị. Ọ na-agba gị ụzọ agụwa ọnụ. Ọkamala abụghị ụzọ na-ekwolu. Dibịa na-agwọ oke ọgwụ, ọgwọcha ọgwụ evuru amosu. Dibịa agbara ọsọ, amosu eburu dibịa. Agwọ na-ata ata nna ya na-ata. Akpịgba ọgbara nna ya na-agba, anụka ji ọṅụọ mmiri. Okwu ndụ ka a na-ekwu okwu mma dị. O si bụ ntụwa ngwe, ya si ukwu olu wee daa. Ibe ọkụ bụ mmiri achụ, ọ ahụ ya ka ọ na-achụ. Ụzụ ya eri n'eko, dibịa afọ mkpọrọgwụ n'ọbịa. Oke nkịta na-achụ ngwele, wee taa isi n'aja nwụrụ, ọ bụrụ ngwele gburu ya. Nwaanyị techaa ofe ya lacha eku. Anya hụ ugogbo onye iru ya n'ọbịa anyị na-ekwu. Anya dị n'eke, dị n'oye, dị n'awọ, dị na nkwọ.
The boss is gone.
How?
I don't know. I don't know what happened.
What are we going to tell Nze or OKADIGBO?
I don't know. I think we should go straight to the palace and tell the king what has happened.
The king's situation does not require any form of bad news. I think we should go to Nze or OKADIGBO and tell him what happened.
You have a point. Let us go.
You bastard!
Both of you are supposed to have arrived before now. What kept you?
Nze, something strange happened on our way to your hut.
Yes. And what could that be?
On our way to your place, a great power hit us and we both fell. We lost consciousness. And when we regained consciousness, the box was missing.
What? This is not good news at all. Who could have taken it?
Honestly, we do not know.
What? This is unbelievable.
We couldn't go to the king with this news because of his health condition.
The box of the scepter of the king should not be missing. In fact, must not be found in the wrong hand. What must we do to get it back? Because we must do everything possible to get it back.
Father, are you still going out?
Yes, I am going out, but I am waiting for the right signal. But from what I am seeing, the signal I have been waiting for is here.
And where are you going to, Father?
I am going to see the warriors of Obodommo.
What?
Yes. Do you have any problem with that?
Father, I have problems with it, Father. You cannot go and see those people alone, Father. They will kill you. They are dangerous, Father.
Your biggest problem is that you don't even know who your father is. Your father is a man who is now beyond human destruction. There is nothing they can do.
Father, please let me get cutlass and go with you.
No. There will be no news.
Father, please let me get the cutlass and come with you.
And I am telling you that I am equal to this. There is no reason for that. I am embarking on this journey alone. You are not coming with me.
Father, please. Father, these people are dangerous, Father. Let me come with you.
There is nothing they can do. Take this chair inside and take this back to the Obi.
This will be a great opportunity for us to grab the king and run away with him.
What if the king comes with his guards?
Then we will kill them all and run away with him.
That is exactly what we are going to do. Once that is done, we will place our demands.
What if we don't keep up to our demands? We will kill the king and descend on them with the highest force.
How do we do that? How possible is it?
Nothing is impossible. Nothing.
Then let us leave at once. Once the king or his representative arrive, we will descend on them.
And mind you, nothing must happen to the king.
We know how to go about that.
Let's go.
I am a cuckoo, the strongest man of Amish kingdom. No man challenge me to a fight. I'll live to see tomorrow. I have killed many people who challenge me. And I'll still kill more who will challenge me tomorrow. I reign supreme in Amish kingdom. I am the strongest and the greatest. Nobody in Amish kingdom dares challenge me.
Warriors of Obodomo, what exactly do you want?
Where is your king? You want to speak with your king.
I am the representative of the king. You can go ahead and talk to me.
Fine. I will talk with you. We, the people of Obodomo, we are here to take over your river. So we want your people to stop coming to that river.
Why will you say a thing like that? Does it mean your father did not tell you that the river belongs to we, the people of Amish?
We know the river belongs to your people, but we want it, and we must have it.
Why is he talking with a lot of confidence? How can you be saying that you want something that does not belong to you? Let me remind you that the river in question is our source of livelihood as a people. My people depend on that river for their fishing. They depend on that river for their farming and everything. And there is no way we are going to release the river to anybody.
We know the importance of that river to your people. And that is the more reason we are here to lay claim to it. I'm not here to argue with you. But like I've said earlier, tell your people to stop coming to that river for any reason at all.
Now, when they prepare medicine that will be applied in the eye, of all the things that may be considered as possible ingredients, nobody remembers pepper. And I want you to from the way your eyes are vibrating, I can see there is something you are itching to say that you have not said yet. Can you go ahead and say it?
You say you are the king's hand. I do not have any other thing to say to you. But let your people come to that river again, and you will have yourself to blame.
What happened to us? That is the same question I was about to ask. Why is it that we couldn't talk back at that man except you?
The man was accompanied by Ugezu J Ugezu. I guess that's why he came alone.
Yes. Of course he knows. And that is why he spoke to us with such level of confidence.
So why were you not affected by his presence? Why?
I know what he knows.
It's like there's something you are not telling us.
As a man, you have to be prepared for anything. So I fortified myself against any spiritual power, like the ones you just faced.
It's not this.
You
fortified yourself.
This young man who confronted me actually has dark powers. I felt it. This is going to be a long war indeed. But you're going to come out victorious. I'm very sure of that.
My father is indeed a great man. Why did this warrior tremble on seeing him? There is something about my father that I need to find out, so I can enjoy that kind of powers too. There's something my father is not telling me.
What is life without love from the people you love? It's a waste of time and energy. I love Nwakego with everything in me. But since she doesn't want to reciprocate, I think it's best I end my own life instead of allowing another man to take her away from me.
Egenta, why would you want to kill yourself just because of a maiden? Yes, you love her, but it doesn't go to the point of killing yourself.
Amari, you will not understand. You will not.
Of course I do. She's just a maiden. Persist and she will fall for it.
Is that ever going to happen?
Like I already told you, she's just a maiden. With time, she will come for you.
But what if she doesn't come around?
Then you get yourself another maiden in this kingdom. There are so many maidens, so many beautiful maidens in this kingdom.
No, you don't understand. I can't seem to love any other maiden in this kingdom just the way I love Nwakego. Can't you see?
Then I will do everything possible to get Nwakego back.
Is that a promise?
The people of Obodomo are at it again. They have kidnapped our maidens and stopped our women from going to the market. It's OKADIGBO. We need to do something about this very, very fast. Else, they'll be calling us weaklings.
It's OKADIGBO. The king is sick. He cannot even make a decree so that we can wage war against these people. Enough is enough. That is why we have come to you. We've come to plead to you to tell us what to do about it.
That's a Famishi. I appreciate your coming. The truth of the matter is that I am aware of what the people of Obodomo are doing. But I've already made up my mind to engage them in a dialogue.
Good.
Seeking to solve this problem once and for all. It is only when we have failed at dialogue that we can start thinking of war.
Good.
Mr. OKADIGBO, are you going to confront them alone?
Well, it is something that I have already resolved to do. All warring problems can actually be solved through dialogue. Dialogue is what shows that there are men in the house. Men who are men. When problem erupts, will always try to use dialogue to solve that problem. It is only when dialogue has failed that war becomes an option.
Nze OKADIGBO, are you saying we should leave the war and make them to...
Listen, to the best of my knowledge, they have not killed anybody.
Yes.
They are simply sending signals to show that they want to do something. I am going to engage them in dialogue, and I am going to solve this problem. If they fail to pay heed to that option of dialogue, then we are going to give them war.
War?
War.
My love, it is time.
Time?
Yes.
For what?
Time to do the needful.
I don't understand.
It is time to officially make you my wife.
Obi, I still do not understand.
Okay, I will explain. I want to come with my people to your place to pay your bride price and make you my wife.
Obi, are you serious?
The last thing I would do in this life is to lie to you or to deceive you. Yes.
Obi, thank you.
My love, I should be thanking you for accepting me. Yes. And I will also be grateful to the gods for blessing me with a beautiful maiden like you.
Okay.
So go home and discuss with your people. Whatever they say, give me feedback.
Okay.
Yes.
But when exactly do you want to come?
I don't want any delay. Next to Eke Market Day will be okay for me.
Okay.
Yes.
I will tell my people that you're coming in the next 2 weeks then. Whatever they say, I'll get back to you.
Please do. I just can't wait to hold you as my wife.
I can't wait to.
I love you so much.
I love you too.
Do you know how beautiful?
What could that be?
Who is after you? What is it?
The people of Obodomok have occupied our river and farmlands again. They have already killed some maidens and injured some men. They took some of our maidens hostage.
Wait for me here. Don't move. Wait for me.
Obike, wait. Obike, wait, let me talk to you. Wait,
Naya, please. Alright, fine. Say whatever you want to say. I need to make it brief. My father is waiting for me at home.
Abang has concluded in getting married to Omasiri. Who told you that? I saw them discussing about it.
What nonsense are you talking about? What exactly did you hear them say? Speak to me, my friend!
Abang is going to pay her bride price. Yes.
That is a lie.
I can't lie to you.
Thank you. Thank you for this information.
And where are you going?
I'll be back.
Obike, wait.
Go home. Enter your hut and lock yourself in.
Father, but I still need to know where you're going.
I said go!
Finally, he came back.
What is the meaning of this?
Unlike the other time, we are not here to argue. Get him!
I can actually see you enjoy to fight. And today, you are going to have a large dosage of it. Get up! Get up! Fight him.
I don't want to kill you.
Come out! I said come out!
OKADIGBO OKADIGBO.
I asked you to go back to the hut and lock yourself in. Why did you not do that?
I'm sorry, Father. Yes, you said that, but I followed you out of curiosity, Father.
Do not try this another day.
OKADIGBO, a man that's found favor before the gods and human beings.
My friend, if there's anything I've always known you to do, it's guessing correctly. So guess.
I do not need a soothsayer to tell me that you're happy.
Exactly. I am happy.
What is the good news?
Listen, the love of my life is coming to pay my bride price. Yes, and I am inviting you.
May the gods be praised.
You see?
I am so happy for you.
Thank you, my friend. Thank you so much. Thank you. You'll be there, right? No need to ask. If you're not there, who will?
I promise you I'll be there.
Gods of our land, why me? Massive is getting married and I still remained without a man. This is an unfair treatment, you gods of our land. What have I done wrong to deserve this? What have I done?
Father, I've been wanting to ask you. I've been meaning to ask you something.
What is it?
I love what you did to the warriors of Obodomo. Using the Igbo powers. From today going forward, they will never dare to challenge our people again.
I hope so. Because if they try it again, that may prove to be their end.
That sounds nice, Father. That sounds nice. Father, you know I'm your son. Can you transfer some of those powers to me so that I can protect myself too?
I do not have the power to transfer Ibobo to anyone. Ibobo is a creation of our ancestors, given freely by the gods to the men who can control it. That is the only credible way to have Ibobo. But then again, there are some other evil men who could not wait for the gods, or who knew that the gods cannot give them anything because of their attitudes and characters. And they went through evil Dibias who created Ibobo for them. Now let me ask you as my son, the Ibobo given freely by the gods and this one created by evil Dibias, are they the same to you?
This power to do a lot of things. If I can get this power, I'll be able to get on myself without stress. Yes. I will take her away from that idiot, that loafer. I'll take people's farmlands. I'll take their wives. Take other valuables. I will become the most dreaded and strongest man in this kingdom. Men and women will fear and tremble at the sight of me, just the way they fear my father. At this point, I need to visit the strong Dibia. I need to visit the strong Dibia in our land for this power. I dare see Bomongo.
What exactly do you want?
Great one. I want the powers of Ibobundins to reside in me.
But you are not an Nze. Why seek the powers that protect an Nze?
What difference does it make, Great One? I intend to be an Nze in the nearest future. So.
Then wait. When you become an Nze, certainly the Ibubo will reside in you.
Great One, I have waited long enough. I have long waited to have the powers of Ibobo resident in me. But I do not know how to go about it. Not until I heard my father telling me that I can acquire the powers of Ibobo through a strong Dibia. That is why I have come, Great One. Please, do not turn me down. I need these powers.
I can input the power of Ibubo in you, but certainly it will come with some consequences.
Consequences like?
It may drive you crazy. At the end of the day, you will become power drunk. Once this happens, you will go as far as fighting against the known authorities in this kingdom. You will become a monster that will delight in blood sucking.
Is that all, Great One? Is that all? Great One, please, I need these powers. I need these powers.
Are you sure this is what you want?
Great One, I am very sure. This is what I want.
Then step forward.
I want you to accompany me to OKADIGBO's hut.
What is happening there?
I love OBK, but he's not looking my way. I want to plead with his father to help me talk to his son to marry me.
Before coming here, you should have known that I will not follow you to that kind of place. I do not embark on such journey.
Are you trying to say that you won't accompany me?
No, I won't. I am sorry.
Do you know that you're very wicked?
Why would you say something like that?
I said what I said and I am not speaking out of context.
Okay, go. How do you mean?
You are in your man's house, enjoying yourself, almost about to get married. In your hearts of hearts, only you want to get married, right? You do not want me to get married to the man of my choice, but you want to get married to the man of your choice. Well, you have failed.
Wakigo, it hasn't gotten to that. I mean, let me just ask you. What is even special about OBK that you keep chasing him about?
A lot is special about him. If you do not want to accompany me, I'll go there alone.
I won't. Wakigo. See, I'm only trying to say it will only present itself as if you're cheap. That's notwithstanding, I will not follow you.
Greetings, Sonyenze.
Greetings, my daughter. How are you doing today?
I am fine, Onyenze.
This one you came to see me. I hope all is well.
Yes, Sonyenze. Just that there is something bothering me and I want to talk to you about.
Sit down.
Okay.
Yes, what is it?
Onyenze, I don't know how what I'm about to say will sound in your ears, but it represents the true intent of my heart.
It is only when they say what they intend to say that a response can be given. If you are able to speak and tell me what the problem is, I promise you that I will be able to say something.
I like your son, Onyenze, and I want to spend the rest of my life with him.
What you have just said is not a known way of life for our women. Our men are the ones who go searching for the maidens they want to spend the rest of their lives with, not the other way around. But then again, you have made a fair request. I am going to talk to my son about you, and let us see how it goes.
Thank you, Onyenze.
I am doing this because you came from a responsible background, and I've known you to be a decent maiden growing up. So like I said, I will discuss your request with my son, and then we can pick it up from there.
Thank you, Onyenze.
You may leave now. Any other thing? Indeed. Maidens of our land are actually becoming something else. A maiden making this move? Interesting.
Show yourself. I know you are here. I can feel your presence. If you are man enough, manifest yourself. Let's let man to man. I'm a cuckoo. I don't go to the task. If you want war, I will gladly go to war with you.
Hey. You fight so hard to destroy this great kingdom.
I know it's you. What do you seek in my shrine?
Hey, that is irrelevant. I asked you a very simple question and I demand an answer now.
I, Ikuku, the strongest man of Amish Kingdom, can now answer such questions.
Like I said earlier, you fight so hard to destroy this noble kingdom. And I will end you. I will make sure I'll stop that. I will go any length to stop that. I will fight you and end you at all costs. Huh?
I am immortal and invisible. No man can stop me when I am on a journey.
I don't. I know where to get you. I will get you. I will get you during the festival of men. For I am very sure you will come to display your ignorance. You will want to show yourself there.
He just gave me a good information. The festival of men is around the corner. I will start preparing for the festival with immediate effect. At the festival of men, I will show my powers.
Come back here, Obike. You know, what exactly are you doing? Are you going to pretend you did not see me standing here? Come back here.
Yes, Father.
In one very short sentence, what have you done?
Nothing.
What has come over this boy? What has he done?
We made it. We made it. Welcome. Let me help you with your bag.
Thank you.
Aha!
Traditionally, you're welcome. I will use this night to help myself. Yes, this is my humble abode. Okay? This is your home from today. Please come, my love. Come, I have something to say to you. Come. Come and sit here. Hey! I have a little bit will. Omale Cham.
Oh, damn.
Omale Cham, I thank the gods that today we are officially married.
Yes. And I am the happiest woman on earth.
Same here. Same here, my love. Today I became a complete man. Yes.
Yeah.
So tell me, how many children are you going to give to me?
Oh, Beam. Already?
Yes, because it will help me to know how many huts I'm going to build. To wait for my children to come.
Okay. Let me think.
Okay.
How about 6 children? 4 males, 2 females.
But why don't you make it 3 males and 3 females?
Whatever you want. By the gods, it shall be provided.
It's that is exactly how I want it.
Then you will have it.
Thank you very much. Odimnobi.
Obi.
My joy giver.
Obi.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Alright. Let me take our things inside.
Let me help.
Alright. Okay. Let me open the car for you.
Thank you.
Hi.
Obike the solution temple. I'm going. All right, see. Obike, boy, I must send an assassin.
Anayo told me the challenges you've been having trying to make Nwakego your woman.
Yes, that's true.
Well, I can make her love you.
Yeah. I'm very joking.
How dare you sit?
Hey. Careful. I just sat down. Sorry.
You're lucky I'm in a good mood today. Like I said, I can make Nwakego love you.
That's okay. If you can make her love me, I'll do anything.
I have the powers to. I can even make her come to live with you until you're ready to marry her. That is, if you want to marry her. But if you do not want, you can kick her out when you're done enjoying the woman in her.
Listen, I love Nwakego. I love Nwakego with everything in me. So I will not even kick her out. Just tell me, what will it cost?
It will cost you something.
Anything now. Anything. Just mention it. And I will give it to you. In fact, you already have it.
A plot of land. A plot of land is what it's going to cost you. The one at Akihi.
Eh?
Don't you want her?
No, I want her. In fact, you can have it. It's already yours. But when
do you want it done?
Today. Right away.
Today shall be then. I will send Anayo to go and call Wakigu for me. In fact, she will come and see you immediately.
Okay, so I can sit down and wait now.
You can go.
So she will come to the house. Okay. It's all right. Okay. I'm waiting. You're ready, man.
Anayo! Anayo!
Obiga, come here. I need you to come and sit down. There is something I want to discuss with you.
Whatever important thing you want to discuss with me, can't it wait? I have somewhere very important I'm going to.
Wherever you plan to go can actually wait. Because what I want to discuss with you is very important. Come and sit down.
All right, Father. I'm seated.
I want to ask you a very simple question. And I need you to give me a very simple answer. Why have you gone to impose Ibobo on yourself using artificial means, instead of waiting for the gods to give it to you the natural, sacred way?
Does it matter, Father? Whichever way it came. The important thing is that the Ibobone Sundinze now resides in me.
I need you to understand that it matters. It matters a whole lot. Does it make any sense to you that you have gone to wear a garment that you are not supposed to wear? Okay, tell me, what do you need Ibobo for?
It doesn't matter, Father.
Okay, you said it, that Ibobo Sundinze now resides in you. Are you an Onyenze?
It doesn't matter, Father. And like I said, I have an important place that I must be.
Come back here.
This is no longer the little boy you gave birth to. I am now a full-grown man, and you should accord me that respect. The next time you try to attack me, Father, I will have to defend myself, and you know what that means.
This boy.
Are you aware that the festival of men is around the corner?
Yes. And I can't wait to attend so as to select the man of my choice.
Did I hear you say, select the man of your choice?
Real men of this kingdom will attend the festival, and there they will show the entire kingdom what they are capable of.
I can't wait. I will select the strongest man.
You select the strongest man. We have same intention when it comes to men. I just hope our interest does not clash at last.
Don't worry, it won't clash. Okay?
Okay, Makwi.
Don't worry.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Obim.
Eating my food is the only thing you will know how to do.
Obim, that's not the only thing I know how to do.
Abele.
Obim, take. Obim. Obim, where are you going? Is a sharp that kick on Ubi? Okay, do you talk? Zanza jelly kunaya for one.
Oju Ghana Wales.
Oh, babe. I know when you call me that you're up to something. Is everything okay?
Everything is okay because you are okay for me. Yes, and I am okay with you. It's just that you are not supposed to be doing this. You are supposed to be with your husband inside.
I understand. Please just give me a little more time. Let me finish up with this. I will join you.
Obim, whatever you are doing, wait. When we are done inside, you can continue. Eh?
Okay.
Don't worry. Let me help you with this. When we are done inside, you come and continue.
Obim! Obim!
Let's go inside. Obike, what are you doing in my hut?
I got this.
Huh?
Obike, you came to see us.
Yes. I have something I want us to discuss, but I want it to be in private. Come with me.
Private?
Yes. No. What is going on here? You want to see my wife in private? Obike! Okay, fine. You can go and see her.
I did see Bobo.
What just happened? He is the last person I expected in my heart. He even demanded to see my wife in private. No, this is not ordinary. Because I sense some strange powers around when he came here.
You came unannounced.
That is how I want it to be.
Do you want me to do anything for you?
What I want you to do for me will be in my heart, on my bed.
What?
No one dare say no to me. Do you want to say no to me?
No. I will come. I am only surprised at your demands.
Good. You should be excited instead. What I want you to do for me will be done tomorrow at sunrise. By then everyone must have gone to farm or market.
Your wish is my command.
Beautiful. When coming tomorrow, make sure you wash yourself properly while coming. I do not want traces of Abawe on you.
What does he want? What?
Nothing.
Nothing, and yet he demanded to see you in private. Huh?
Obim, I promise, he does not want anything.
Omasele, be very careful. Be very careful with that man. Because I see no good around him. Makanasa ana wants you danya. Adetinye you say. Be very careful.
He must give me back my land today. He must. I have gotten what I want from Wakego, and I am no longer interested. So, OBK must return my land. That land is the only thing my father gave to me. I cannot give it out like that. No, how can I? I will fight him until he returns my land.
I heard you from afar complaining about something.
I was only reciting Mbem of the gods.
Are you sure?
Yes, very sure.
Then run along.
Also?
Run along.
Why can't I be a man and ask for my land from Obike? Wait, is there something about Obike that puts fear in people? Because I really can't see why I can't even confront him. Look at his size. I can't even... Obike. Is that right?
Great Ikuku. I want the powers of Ikwamanonya. I want to be able to disappear and reappear anytime and whenever I need it.
Obike, the power of astral travel will make you live short on earth. Don't you want to live long?
I do not care. I do not care, Great Ikuku. I'd rather live long or short. What I want is, I want the impact of my powers to be felt within and outside Amici in history.
If that's what you want, I will give you the power to make you appear and disappear.
Sent for us? Yes. Can we know why? Someone touched a sleeping tiger on his tail. And I want the person to feel the angry claws of the tiger.
You speak in anger and bitterness. Who is this person you speak of?
He is one of the elders of Amici Kingdom.
And what has he done?
He killed 2 of our warriors. And I want us to avenge their deaths. When do you want him dead? I want him dead. I want him to die today.
Then let us go and kill him. Let us go.
Greetings, Oyinze.
Are you not the wife of Shia Bangwe, the son of Nzenaram?
Yes, I am.
So, what are you doing sticking out of my compound?
Oyinze, Obike asked me to come and see him.
See him for what?
He did not tell me.
Hey, listen. You are going to go home today. But do not ever come back here for any reason looking for him for anything.
Okay, Oyinze. I'll be going now.
This boy is using the Igbo wrongly. And it is going to backfire. I have a duty. I have a duty to do something before it is too late.
It works, Great Ikuku. This is beautiful. This is beautiful.
This charm will make you appear and disappear in times of great trouble. But you only feed on human blood to fortify the charm and make it stronger.
Great Ikuku. Human blood?
Yes. The more human blood you feed on, the stronger the charm. And the longer you will live.
At this point, I must ask you, what's so special about this Obike that all the ladies in this village have been falling for him?
Same question I wanted to ask. And I heard that the princess has joined the race.
Yes. Here's where I'm even worried.
Why are you worried about the princess?
Who else in this village that does not know that the king wants Uchenna to marry the princess?
Uchenna spends more time at his grandmother's place than here, Amichi, his kingdom.
Is that why the princess have been following him everywhere he goes? I also heard that Obike have been sleeping with all the married women in this village.
At this point, I have no reason to doubt that Obike has used something on the princess.
Wow. See, the way I'm even saying this is not only the princess.
Yes. Let's go. It is so Obike.
You are disappointed, right? Because she is gone. That's why your face is like this. Listen, using the power of Ibobo that you conjured from that place to perpetuate evil against the maidens of this land, both the married and the unmarried ones, is a joke taken too far.
I do not know what you're talking about.
You know exactly what I am talking about, and stay where you are.
And I insist that I do not know what you're talking about. I do not even care.
Stay where you are!
Stop me if you can!
And I am talking to you! Stay right where you are!
What have you done to me, father? My legs are burning!
Thank Yoshi that you still recognize the fact that I am your father. Listen to me. The power of the Ibobo is a creation of our ancestors. It is not something they use to perpetuate evil. It is not something they use to take advantage of other people. It is something they use in the service of humanity. Something they use for the protection of the land. Listen. You don't have any right whatsoever to take advantage of any maiden. And now you have risen to the point of taking advantage of married women. I will not take that from you. I will not.
Let me go, father. Let me go.
Move. If you believe you are not, move.
Father, let me go. Let me go, father. Let me go.
A word is enough for the wise. I am not going to warn you again. Stop pushing me.
You have just challenged me to a fight, father. Wait for me. Father, wait for me.
If not that you are my son. Let me not say it.
Thank the gods we are home.
What happened?
My love, I heard that OBK is hypnotizing women in this village to sleep with him. And whosoever does not fall for him, he will rape them by force. Yes,
hey.
I know it. I know that there's nothing good about that man.
Obim, you know it can never be me. Not in this lifetime. I rejected him when I was single, and there is no way I can accept him now that I am married. It's not possible.
Obim, I trust you. And I know what you can do. But please, I beg you in the name of the gods, avoid him. Avoid him because he can do and undo. I
will avoid him.
Thank you. Eh? All right, let me check my...
Okay. Are you hungry?
Did you just call me OBK?
I meant to say I will avoid OBK completely. Obim, are you hungry?
I am not hungry. But whatever you are doing, do it very fast.
Okay, my love.
Ekenta, my friend. Ekenta, what is it? What is wrong with you? You're not looking happy.
Yes, I am not happy. I am not happy.
What is the problem?
OBK is my problem. OBK is my problem.
What? Why? How is OBK your problem?
Tell OBK to return my land back to me. Tell him to return my land back to me. I was never in love with Wakego. All I was interested was her virginity, and I have gotten it. OBK can have her as long as I am concerned. Tell him to give me back my land. That's what I am interested in.
There's a problem.
What's the problem?
OBK has sold that land.
Man. Not possible.
He has sold the land, and worst of it is that the person that bought the land is cultivating in it already.
It's not possible. It can't be true. Let me tell you. Go and give him my message. Tell him he should return back my land to me. Or...
Ekenta, take it easy, oh. Take it easy, Ekenta. Where is Ekenta?
Greetings, OBK.
You heard me. Where is Ekenta?
He's not around.
Where did he go?
I do not know. Me.
All right. Let's go inside.
Ọkwa akọlọ onye obi ọgba n'aka, akọlọ onye ụlọ okwe n'isi. Odira kweli ji di okuko manonu.
Your son did what he did with the darkest powers within his possession. And if he is not stopped, soon he will become a monster.
Honestly, I thought as much. The question that is begging for an answer is, how do we stop him?
Nana ha chi hebi he ya do. Nko jabu page de mad ejide onwe. Ebo esiri go nko seri Danga. Let him go back to Ikuku who did those charms for him, and let Ikuku undo those charms.
What if he refuses to go back to Ikuku to undo the charm, seeing that he is already enjoying what he is doing?
That means there is no way out. We can't go back for Ikuku to undo the charms. That means it will be difficult. In fact, it could be impossible for him to return to a normal human being. And soon, he might become a bloodsucker.
Why is it that I cannot stop thinking about Obike? What happened? Is there something new or interesting about him at the moment? What exactly is wrong with me? Gods of our land, I am a married woman, and I do not want to do this wickedness against my husband. Obrog, Omanle, Tufiakwa, the gods forbid. Hey! The gods forbid.
What is done, and there is nothing you can do about it. You should be happy that your son has joined the League of Men.
I would have been very happy if my son has joined the League the right way.
Maybe you should tell me the way you consider to be the right way.
You know it already, so there is no reason voicing it out.
Let your son be, or I will fight you.
And who says I am afraid of you?
Really?
Yes. I am Nze OKADIGBO. I am not afraid of any man, and that includes you. Are you not tired already? Are you not tired already? Has it not become clear to you that I am no longer an ordinary human being? Undo whatever it is you have done against my son.
He has some power. And I don't even know.
Today is the final day of this practice. And I want us to give our best. Yes. The drummers will play and we will dance. Yes. Yes. Do you understand?
Yes.
We will dance in two. Music. You too.
Obika, I called you to educate you on the implication of what you have done.
For all I can remember, Father, I have not done anything.
On the contrary, you have done everything wrong.
Maybe you should tell me, since you insist that I have done something wrong. Maybe I did it without my knowledge.
Now you listen to me. The artificial ibobo you imposed on yourself is not going to do for you what the original ibobo given by the gods does for our people. This one is going to transform you into a monster. A monster who is going to be evil personified, not only in this kingdom, but even beyond. The ibobo you have imposed on yourself is not going to be beneficial to any of our people. Rather, it is going to turn you into a blood-sucking demon. Is that what you want for yourself?
I've always known you that you do not want me to be great just like your father. But I've taken it upon myself to be great. And you cannot stop me.
Now listen to me, son. I have to talk to you because you're my son. What you parade is not greatness. Rather, you are paraded resident evil that is going to destroy your future.
No, Father. What I have inside of me will not destroy me. Rather, it is going to make me great. Greater than you, Father. And one day, Father, I am going to challenge you in a contest in the ring of men.
You know exactly what they say about the cricket. When the cricket is burning inside the fire, it will be boasting that it is glowing in oil without knowing that it is actually dying. Do not be deceived. I am Nze OKADIGBO, and what I have is the real Ibobone Nze given by the ancestors, not the artificial nonsense you have. Do not dare me.
Let us watch and see, Father.
What brings you to my shrine? I came to pay homage to the greatest Dibia of our time. Did you call me the greatest Dibia of your time? Of course, you are a great man. It is only a fool or an idiot that will not recognize how great you are. What brings you here? What do you want? Like I said earlier, I came to pay homage to the greatest Dibia of our time. I can do more than giving you a palm wine, so you don't have to thank me. But I still have to thank you for the palm wine. It's all yours, so enjoy. It tastes good. I know you will like it. I have to be on my way now. Go well, Ekuku. Agwada tumbe na agwa tulumbe ne hojionu. Uti oba de ti oba kwuti ya kaburu yogu.
He drank it. That means he's dead. The road is not clear for me to dominate as number one of our mission at the Festival of Men. I can boldly say that I'm the number one in our mission kingdom.
Today is indeed a very wonderful day in the history of our land. The day we have come for the all-important Festival of Men. Oh, yes. I want to thank our maidens who volunteered to come and dance and welcome the spirit of dance in our midst. This is that festival where we identify men who are men by every definition of the word. I need to remind us, this is a sacred place. Because I know men. Men will always file out to do that which make them men. But anything of such is not allowed here. Sacred place requires sacred practice. The only thing we are going to do here today is, if you believe from the depth of your heart that you are a man, you have to jump over this pit of fire and uproot the staff of the masquerade. Anybody who succeeds in doing this proves to us that he is indeed a man and will be introduced into the circle of men. Let the festival begin.
I thought you were dead.
Ta! Nkata de bumiri, mira de bumbume. Buma da manchara. No amount of medicine can kill me. I am Otigbo Oburu.
You fooled me.
Yes, I did. And I will continue to fool you. I am Otigbo Oburu. Namos na Wambo Jeruji na Kebo and Hamoso. What did you do to that young man that just picked the coal of fire?
The coal of fire is mine to pick. And I will not allow any man to pick it.
Why are you so power drunk?
That's your question. You will never get its answer. Come back to the village square and watch me pick the coal of fire as a real man.
Okadibo. Ihe na-eme n'imi na-eme mmemi. Ihe na-eme n'imi na-eme ememi. Maka aha aruwere agba odokpuru. Ikuku has caused a lot of damages in this kingdom. He has taught your son the art of dark magic. And your son seems to be so much interested in it.
You are right. Obike is enjoying everything he taught him without the slightest knowledge of the implication.
We have to stop them. We will do our best to stop them immediately.
I am interested in what you just said. How are we going to stop them?
Asinona abuta nazo odile. Ebidi nazo sompi. Allow me to make 1 or 2 inquiries. I will get back to you.
I will be waiting. I will be waiting.
You are now a real man.
And you made it possible, Great Ikuku.
I can do more if you want.
Great Ikuku, you do not have to ask. You know I will want more. Go ahead and do more.
I see the surprise on your father's face.
I saw it too. I know exactly what's going on in his mind.
He will be like the small boy of yesterday is now a full-grown man.
Exactly, Great Ikuku. You know, he never wanted me to belong into what is happening now.
Yeah.
But I cannot thank the gods enough. I cannot thank them enough for making it possible for me to meet you. Thank you, Great Ikuku.
Come with me.
Roma, now I know why our maidens are chasing after Obike. Exactly. But where did he get his powers from? It all began the moment he started associating himself with Ikuku, the great Dibia. You're right. I even heard OKADIGBO did not approve their relationship. Yes. For years they tried to discuss with him, but he refused him. But where did he get his power from? Ask me. No, ask me. You need to know. I beg.
I need blood!
after you, my good friend.
I'm in trouble. I just killed someone. I just killed someone.
Is that why you're afraid?
Yes, Kuku, I am in trouble. All I keep hearing in my head is I need blood, I need blood, I need blood.
It is part of the sham I gave to you. You will drink human blood and you will eat human flesh. Yes, get ready to kill more people.
I am gradually becoming whom I am not. I need blood. I need blood. It's the only thing that echoes in my head. If this is what it takes to be the real man, then I will kill. I will continue killing. Even if it means killing my own father. Not even your husband.
I understand.
Oh. All right. Good. Yeah, I'll be fine.
How do you want it?
I need you to lie down. Spread your legs for me. I need your legs to be flying in the air while I enjoy myself.
Okay.
wakanda ya batako. Elegante banjo. Elegante banjo. Banjo banjo. Elegante banjo na wakanda ya batako. Elegante banjo. Elegante banjo na wakanda ya batako. Elegante banjo.
What is after you and why are you running?
No one is after me. No one is after me.
So why then are you running?
Agbawe, the worst is about to happen.
Talk to me now. What is going on?
On my way from the farm,
yes,
I saw Obike taking your wife into the bush.
What? My wife? Yes. Into the bush? Yes. Where?
If we don't move fast, they will cross the threshold.
What?
Yes.
I am coming. I'm coming.
Be fast.
Take me to where they are. Take me there.
Why did you stop?
You want me to continue?
Oh.
You enjoyed it.
I did.
Why did you stop? Where are they?
This is exactly the point. He took her inside.
Eh? That means they should be in here.
Yes.
Okay.
You have to do one for me.
Obike! What are you doing with my wife? I need blood!
Obike!
Ah! Obike! 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 Obike, be careful! Obike!
I cannot see anyone who is after you. Who is chasing you?
No, Okadibo, your son just killed someone.
What? How?
Your son killed Shiawanwe, the son of late Nzenolon.
Why did he kill him?
He caught him defiling his wife.
May the gods forbid this. Why will he even look at another man's wife?
I don't know. Just let me come and inform you.
Thank you. Thank you for coming to give me this information. And be rest assured he will not go unpunished.
Okay, now. Thank you.
What is wrong with this boy? What is wrong with this boy? Is he not aware that murder is the highest crime anyone can commit in Igbo land? Why will he kill anyone? What?
Get up, please, Obi, please. I'm sorry. Obi, please get up. Hey, somebody help me. Obi, go get up. I'm sorry. I am sorry. Obi, we will not go home. I'll stay here with you. Obi, go get up. Obi, miss me, your love. Ewo. Obi, please get up. Hey, somebody help me. Somebody help me.
Ọkwakwanti monore, ọbọshage polisi nenu, yanante solu. Onye na marizo yi, yasuru mpekeri tegaba. Obodi ekwu, ọkwakolo nyobi obanaka, akolo yuno kwenisi. Odiro mbeli ji di okuko manonu. No. Hey. Ojujebu. Hey. Onye wewe kwachi abuo.
Where is Ifeoma? It's almost sunset. And Ifeoma is not back. I think I have to be in the stream by myself. I will go there by myself and see with my eyes why she's not back yet. She's fond of doing this. She's fond of doing it. Every time she goes to the stream, she will take all day. No, don't worry. Today is the last day she will do it. By the time I'm done with her, she will not forget it in the heart.
The battle has started. Anything you are doing, whether evil or bad, be careful to avoid regulating. That's what goes around. We always come around.
Please, I'm looking for Ifeoma, my daughter. Did you see her?
Ifeoma?
Yes.
She came to the stream in the morning, fetched water and went home.
Hey, I've been in the house looking for her. She has not come back since morning, no. She has not come back. That's why I said let me go to the stream to look for her.
And she has gone home since morning, no.
Yeah, get me her. By the time I get her, you see this cane? By the time I'm done with her, she will not forget it in a hurry.
How exactly did it happen?
I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know.
That means you don't know who killed him.
My friend, Wakego. Water has filled the mouth of the toad.
Hey.
My friend, I am finished.
You can't be finished. I'm here. I'm here for you. You serious, stop. Please. You man serious, stop. You fall sick. Please stop.
The gods of our land has failed me. What did I do to deserve this? What have I done? Why? You should have taken me.
No.
They should have taken me.
That means the people of Obodomo are still attacking us. They're the only people that can kill like that. I'm so sorry.
Hey! Hey!
You will fall sick.
Akigo. Your friend is a widow. I am a widow now. Hey!
Stop. You fall sick. Please stop. Ebezina, Biko, Nebezina, do. Hey.
This man is too much for me.
I'm here for you. Hey.
Obike, the son of OKADIGBO, killed your daughter.
What? Why?
Obike killed your daughter because of bloodlust. And he will continue to kill. Killing after killing, killing after killing. If he is not stopped now, he will continue to kill.
What do I do?
It is not my duty to tell you what to do. It is not in my hands to tell you what to do. You are the very one in position to make up your mind what you want to do.
I want to confront him. I want to let the entire people of Amici know that he killed my daughter. Yes, I also want him to face the consequences of killing my daughter.
Woman, I am not in the position to make him face the consequences of his actions. But the elders of Amish Kingdom are in the position to do so. But I can help you confront him.
Okay, please help me, great one.
Rise. Take. when you get home, put the substance into your mouth. Mark your tongue with it. And it will subdue all negative influences and immune your system. Then no negative power will have effect on you.
Negative powers.
That will be all for now. That will be all for now. Leave the rest for the gods.
Ifenna! Ha! Money for ma! Money for ma! What happened? Why you calling my call out?
What really happened? She was not afraid of me. And to make matters worse, I couldn't even hurt her even when I attempted to. It's like the power of my evil boy is fading away. Or she has stronger powers. I must find out.
Mama, what is wrong? Why are you this angry? Obike thinks that he's untouchable. But I've succeeded in making him to know that he is a human being. He is just a human. Nothing more. Lower your voice. He could be listening. Who cares if he's listening or not? The most important thing is that I've won him. And he must pay dearly for what he did to my daughter. What? What did he do to your daughter? He killed my daughter. Have you not heard? He killed my daughter. Why? In fact, I don't want to talk about it now. We'll talk some other time.
I am sorry for your loss.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you. But wait.
Did I hear you say you want Obike? Yes. He thinks that his charm will get people like me. No. I have proved to him that he can do anything. And he won't go unpunished for this single act.
How was she able to confront Obike? And I'm still living under his influence. There must be something she knows that I don't know.
Mommy Informa! Mommy Informa! Mommy Informa, wait!
She was able to square up to you because of the charm Otigbo gave to her.
Otigbo gave her a charm against me?
Yes. And my worry is that most people will start going to Otigbo for the charm. And once that happens, you'll become powerless.
Great Ikuku, that cannot happen. Please, what do you advise I should do?
The only option is for you to kill Otigbo and bring his head. Once that happens, I will make you even more powerful.
Then consider it done.
Once Otibo is out of the way, I will then start my position as the most powerful man in Amishi Kingdom once again.
How dare you invade my shrine in such a manner? How dare you?
The question should be, why are you interfering in my affairs?
Obike, you are moving towards the wrong direction. And the earlier you turn, the better for you. Listen, no matter how far, no matter how long you've gone on the wrong road, turn.
You are the one moving in the wrong direction. Otigbo, you are the one moving in the wrong direction by fighting me directly. And I've come to put a stop to it.
Now I know the powers with which you operate. And I will make sure I will dismantle them all. So you can return to become the normal human being that you have been before now. Bala bala feroka burara. Okuko bagatefe. Nkate budia.
I'll be back. I will be back, Otigbo. And it will not be this friendly.
Are you running away? And then rescheduling another day. May the gods, may the ancestors forgive you, guide and protect you people. For the good of the entire Amici Kingdom.
At this point, I will go to any length to free myself from Obike. I can't keep living under the same roof with Ekenta, someone I detest so much. If this is a charm, it must clear from my eyes. I need to go to a great Dibia.
Now I know the powers your son operates with.
That sounds good. That sounds very good.
And I can handle it. I can do something to neutralize all the negative influences around him. I can dismantle that negative power that operates with him.
Otigbo, my good friend. Tell me exactly what you feel I should do, and I am going to do it at once.
Take. This is made of Ogirisi, akwụkwọ abọsị, akwụkwọ ojukwu, and other elements. It is called Ndabuogu. This will neutralize whatever that has been operating in him, or that he has been operating with. When you get home, sprinkle it across his door. The moment he crosses that door, he will become normal. All the negative influences will be neutralized, and you will return to normal human being that he used to be.
Thank you, Otibue, my very good friend. I appreciate this, and I will forever remain very grateful.
And you will always remain my friend.
Otibue, Dalu.
You sent for us?
Yes. And that is because I have decided to hand my son over to you so that he will face the punishment for the crime he has committed.
And your son is the most dangerous person in Amici Kingdom. How do you do that?
I've already taken care of that. You are going to sit back and wait for him to return, and you will discover how I have already taken care of it.
Okay.
As the fool. Look at him. Stand up!
Hey. Hey. Father. My elders. What just happened to me? Why was I on the floor?
Obike, we can see that you have regained your senses. You actually killed Siagbanwe. And in line with our custom and tradition, you must leave this land.
Yes.
And you will remain wherever you find yourself until Siagbanwe reincarnates himself.
This may take 10 years or even 20 years. Do not make the mistake of entering this land until Chiangbawe reincarnates.
Yes.
And if by the gods we are still alive, we will decide your fate.
Father, please. Please.
Don't get anywhere close to me. When I was warning you, you refused to listen. Anyone who has the mind to commit the crime must have the mind to face the punishment.
Yes. I'm sorry.
Odigbo, my very good friend, you sent for me through the messenger of the gods, and I have arrived.
Yes, I did.
I hope all is well.
As none aba hapụrụ were agba ọdọkpụrụ. Ya bụ ihe na-eme n'ime omemi ya ememi ya. Ọ bụrụ na agbara ha ụzọ were mgba ọ na-echi. Ikuku has crossed the threshold of life and death, and I will stop him. I will handle him.
And how do you intend to do that?
I have the intention of confronting him right in his shrine.
Odigbo, I don't think it is a good idea to confront a man like Ikuku in his place. No.
Manasi na m heji okwute neta m iso kakwara aka. Maka na egwu na atụ afọ buru ụzọ. I feel that the best place to take that fight is his own shrine.
To the best of my knowledge, Ikuku is a very dangerous person. And I know you know it yourself that taking...
Hey! OKADIGBO, relax. Be at peace with yourself.
You are the man of the gods. And I know the gods will always rise to guide and protect their own. I pray the gods will guide you.
Yes, the gods will guide me. I will handle him. In case I do not make it. In case I do not make it, tell the people of Amici Kingdom how it happened.
All right.
How dare you enter my territory?
You have beaten more than you can chew. You brought more evil to our people more than good. And I am here to stop you from that devilish practices.
You don't have the kind of power to stop me. I am indestructible.
Ijoku jabi kedia nono. Yagu jabi kedia nambaka. Nkedi kedia kedia ni kenga. Kedi be jabi kedia bende mo. Mase kedi be jabi kedia ni kenga. Onya gbe munti kanne ku oku. Mwana oje joru du da baka tamana musinde me mu na ma de sibile de ni wan shenti yo fro wudi siabu. Ekuru duru di bedro fi kobra ma yi. Bas na ku bro ma na ku yama na de bro ma na ti ga ma de ekuru duru di bedro fi kobra ma yi. Ama bro eti oku o hey.
Dibia kwosho ku ko fula mozu. Dibia gboro so, amoso ku di.